Thank you for staying with us here on Nation at 5. We have exclusively accessed the video of the perpetrator, the man who accused Saif Ali Khan in his own residence at about 3 a.m. this morning. That's the man that you see on your screens walking down the stairwell from Saif Ali Khan's residence, leaving the building after the attack. This is the CCTV footage that the Mumbai police is now using to apprehend the accused. His identity has now been ascertained. But where he went after leaving Saif Ali Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan's residence at 3 a.m. this morning, that's something that is being investigated now. There are 10 teams of the Mumbai police that are on the trail of this particular accused. This is the CCTV footage that is going to be the key piece of evidence in tracking the accused down. Preeti joining us, getting us more details. Preeti, we've accessed that video for our viewers here that's out on our screens. This is the CCTV footage from the fire exit from the stairwell of the building, from where you can see the accused exit extremely calmly after he stabbed someone 6 times.
Yeah, this CCTV footage is of the 2:33 a.m. when the incident took place. And after this, the accused went down and he used the staircase of the fire brigade exit staircase he used. And we can see that the accused is around 25 to 30 years old. And he's very calm. Look at his body. His body language shows that he doesn't have any regret after attacking the Saif Ali Khan. So now the Mumbai police have accessed we have accessed the CCTV footage and exclusive photos of the accused. So meanwhile, Mumbai police has also formed the team and they are investigating the matter, like where accused is there. And now they have started the investigation also. And besides this, according to the Mumbai police, the accused maybe know each and every area of this building, each and every place of this premises. That's why he used the fire brigade exit. And when he came down, he did not use the lift, but he came through the staircase.
So not only did he know the maid, perhaps, that's under investigation, but he also knew the layout of the entire building, which is why he decided to take the stairs from 10 floors down instead of the elevator. That's what the Mumbai police is believing, perhaps pointing, Preeti, to the fact that maybe he's one of those workers who was working in the building, or at least knew either the caretakers of this particular residence or the security guards.
Yeah, the Mumbai police, one theory is working on this. This is that maybe this accused know one of the maid, or maybe he's a relative or a friend of this maid who is working at the Saif Ali Khan's house. So now the Mumbai police are already took down the statement of this maid, and already 8 people's statement has been recorded by the Mumbai police. Besides this, we have accessed the exclusive CCTV footage of the 9th floor of the building when the incident took place. After this, CCTV is off around 2:33 a.m. when the accused used the staircase and he was spotted at the 9th floor of this building. So we can observe from his body language that he doesn't have any regret. We can see the calmness on his face and how he's a very young fellow. He's hardly around 25 to 30 years old.
Now, this CCTV footage is also going to be circulated with the residents of the building, with the staff working in the building as well, perhaps to ascertain who this accused really is, where he could have gone after he left that building at about 2:30 a.m.
Yeah, the Mumbai police has asked various people who are staying in this building whether they know these people, whether this person has come into the house for any household activities or house works. But the families where they are staying in this building, they say they are not aware, they have not spotted this person earlier also. Besides this, Mumbai police has circulated this video in various police stations also. They have circulated this video footage in
the last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them and how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC TV 18 and CNBCTV18.com.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.